The unrealized loss for MicroStrategy, I'll zoom that in right here, I have it in my bookmarks, is $1.6 billion. And it's all close to around $13 million of an order block order. This is very, very weird. We'll talk about it within the video. But pretty much, you can see it in the order box. 653 Bitcoins took 5.9% of a Bitcoin price in one trade. This is very concerning because MicroStrategy actually owns 129,000 Bitcoin. What happens when they're forced to liquidate? Well, if 600 can take 5.9%, this begs the question, what is the liquidity of the market? So first of all, you need to understand that all of this crash was planned. By the way, this video is not financial advice, but it happened on a Saturday before the European time zone and before the US time zone, after the Asia time zone. Meaning the lack of liquidity and the lack of people around was planned. On a Saturday morning, between sessions, slippage can happen. We've seen that with Forex pairs. Did you try to check on Monday at the beginning of this Asia session, I don't know, Australian session for Forex pairs? Check the buy and sell, right? Check the slippage, the spread between buy and sell orders when there's no liquidity. That's normal. So all of this that happened yesterday was planned. So you cannot, if we get 129,000 Bitcoins liquidated, obviously it's going to be very bad. But this debt might be purchased by someone. I don't know how this works when you're holding 129,000 Bitcoins on leverage. I do not know how this works. I do not know how something like that can work. But I know that if someone wants to liquidate and get this position, they will not do it on a weekday. So yes, I think liquidity will still be an issue because the counter argument was, oh, don't worry. There was no liquidity for a 13 million order because 600-ish Bitcoin multiplied that by 20K, it's around 13 mil. But it was one sell order that took all of that because then you have some following liquidation orders that happen in between. If we just go and see the chart right here, this is pretty much what happened. I'll open up the futures as well on BitGet. By the way, on BitGet right now, you can still claim some bonuses to hedge your risk. First, based on your deposits, you can get up to 5K using my link in the description down below. You're also helping out the channel. And second of all, you can claim $4,163 from the reward center. 10-20 bucks is really easy to get. I can see in my referrals pretty much everyone got 10-20 bucks very quickly, so definitely do check that out. I also want to check the fear index. It was 6 yesterday. How is it moving? Yeah, still 6. I mean, it's the worst it's been. It's the all-time low for the last year. But when we go right here to the Bitcoin chart, we got the yellow X, and this is what I meant yesterday. We got the yellow X at 27K, we got the yellow X at 22K. This is basically stop loss hunting market manipulation indicator. You can also see the sell orders we had. This is CDV, basically buy or sell orders, right? Market buy or market sell orders. You can see that most of that's going on right now is either people opening shorts, people liquidating their positions, getting stopped out, or people just selling it at the bottom. There was a song about it. Just sold at the bottom. Do you know it? It was a parody of "We're never, ever, ever selling back to Tether." You tell. Bum, 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 bum. Do you know the song? Let me know. So yeah, we have no bottom right here. And the real bottom, look at this. There's no order box supporting this. There's no market buy orders. Nothing is going on here. It's a free fall. And when we go to the 2-day or the weekly chart on a bigger time frame, let's go to here. Actually, we should probably go to the weekly chart. We can see that there's some support because of the resistance here that I can mark up at 13-ish K. There was some support right here that we pretty much went below of, but this is a support zone, not a support price, so maybe we'll bump from here. Who knows? The next support is at 13K, and then if we break that, we're definitely going very, very low. Probably 10K, but who knows? And look, everything that's going on right now is not because something is wrong with Bitcoin. Or the Bitcoin market, everything around it was working out pretty well. The mosquito died on my tablet somehow. It was working out pretty well. But the whole financial market is down. Everything is down. Stocks are down. Netflix is down 70-something% year to date. Tesla 50%. Facebook 50%. Most of your favorite tech is down a lot. Because of interest rates. What the Fed did in 2020, pumping the market, basically, with quantitative easing, stuff like that, is now coming to an end. They're scaling down on that. And people were noticing it, and people took profit at the top on stocks and crypto. Let me know what you think, though, in the comment section down below. I'm super, super interested to know what you think. If there's enough likes, hey, we can do another video later today. I really appreciate talking with you guys. See you next one. Bye.